Okay, before I disconnect everything, I flipped the bottle over because I want all that liquid out of my line and into the unit. We don't want to disconnect things with liquid refrigerator. Okay? So, basically, you can see our sight glass is clear. There's no bubbles. Our pressures are on. Right around 70, which isn't bad for a day like today. It cooled off a lot. We had a storm come through. So, we're looking pretty good here. So, I'm going to disconnect everything and I got to get out of here. So, there you go. I basically did this video to see if I do it yourself or do I try this. This is an R22 system. I would not even suggest someone trying to put in a 4A system, a do-it-yourself project. It's a whole nother ballgame. So this is an R22 condenser in a coil. It's a government product, a real nice product. I use them all the time. So our sight glass is still in good shape, no bubbles. For now, I'm going to leave it like that. And you can feel our line's nice and cool. And it's cooling real nicely.